The doctor from Bilaspur who has been arrested following the death of 14 women in blot stop sterilization surgery says he's being made a scapegoat. R.K. Gupta was arrested after the deaths of the women at a government-run camp in Chhattisgarh. The doctor has been arrested while the state government transferred the health director, forcing the opposition to question whether they were trying to shield top officials.
ये प्रशासन सीएमओ, डीएचओ और बीएमओ और उनका काफ़ी डायरेक्टर को भी जाता है, तो डायरेक्टर को भी मालूम रहता है कि यहाँ कैंप हो रहा है।
हाँ, आप बता रहे थे।
मैं क्या बोल रहा था, वही मैं बता रहा था कि मैं अकेले दोषी नहीं हूँ, पूरा प्रशासन दोषी है और मेरे को फंसाया जा रहा है। मैं तो सरेंडर ही मैं बोलूँगा, वो लोग उल्लेखित कर रहे हैं फरार और गिरफ्तार किए हैं। मैं स्वयं चकरभाठा कैंप के इंचार्ज सुप्रिया से मैंने बात किया कि भाई मैं यहाँ पर हूँ और कौन सा आधार लगा है बताइए, उसको मेरे को क्या फॉलो करना होगा। तो उन्होंने बोला कि 304 ये लगा है, आप आ जाइए, मैं सब कर देता हूँ। परंतु मेरे आने के पहले ही वहाँ पर फोर्स भेज दिया गया और ये शो किया गया कि मेरे गिरफ्तार करके ला रहे हैं। वहाँ पर मेरे को यही बताया गया, कुछ नहीं डॉक्टर साहब, आप वहाँ पर चकरभाठा के वहाँ पर थाने में जाएंगे, आपका बयान लिखा जाएगा और उसको मुचलके के साथ आपको भेज दिया जाएगा। मौत तो हुई है बिल्कुल, डेफिनेटली मेरे से मौत नहीं हुई है, ड्रग इंट्रैक्शन की वजह से हुआ है और जो उसके पूरे जाँच करना चाहिए दवाइयों का और उसके ऊपर ही उसके बाद ही कंक्लूजन पर पहुँचना चाहिए।
All right, that was Dr. R.K. Gupta, who's been arrested after 14 women died following blot stop sterilization surgeries in Bilaspur. R.K. Gupta saying he's being made a scapegoat. He's saying that even though he carried out the surgeries himself, there was something wrong with the medicines that were administered to these women before the surgeries. Let's get a word from our deputy editor Atir Khan, who's with us on the phone line from Bilaspur. He's tracking this big story for us. Atir, the doctor saying that there was something wrong in the medicines that were provided by the state government at these sterilization camps.
Well, you see, the government has clearly said that they were breaching the protocols which have been set for carrying out such procedures, and that is why this excessive haste of meeting the target. Clearly now he has been arrested, action has been taken against him, and the government has also formed a committee which will inquire into the causes of death, whether the death was because of the procedures or the instruments which were used, and perhaps the medicines. So this committee is going to inquire into all the reasons, and there to arrive at a conclusion. As of now, the doctor will be produced in the court today, and an FIR has been registered, and there will be a proper trial in this case.
Absolutely. And other questions also being raised about why no action was taken against the chief medical officer. The opposition is saying that the state government is trying to shield him.
Well, that's right. There is clamor from the opposition. It wants to take on the government on this issue, and we spoke to the health minister a little while ago. He says that strict action has been initiated against all those who have been found guilty, and he's also accepted that there was breach in protocol, and that is why this action against the doctor. But clearly, perhaps the government is going to take more action after its committee submits its report.
Atir, stay on with us. Let's once again listen in to Dr. R.K. Gupta's reaction when he spoke to the media a short while back.
ये प्रशासन सीएमओ, डीएचओ और बीएमओ और उनका काफ़ी डायरेक्टर को भी जाता है, तो डायरेक्टर को भी मालूम रहता है कि यहाँ कैंप हो रहा है।
हाँ, आप बता रहे थे।
मैं क्या बोल रहा था, वही मैं बता रहा था कि मैं अकेले दोषी नहीं हूँ, पूरा प्रशासन दोषी है और मेरे को फंसाया जा रहा है। मैं तो सरेंडर ही मैं बोलूँगा, वो लोग उल्लेखित कर रहे हैं फरार और गिरफ्तार किए हैं। मैं स्वयं चकरभाठा कैंप के इंचार्ज सुप्रिया से मैंने बात किया कि भाई मैं यहाँ पर हूँ और कौन सा आधार लगा है बताइए, उसको मेरे को क्या फॉलो करना होगा। तो उन्होंने बोला कि 304 ये लगा है, आप आ जाइए, मैं सब कर देता हूँ। परंतु मेरे आने के पहले ही वहाँ पर फोर्स भेज दिया गया और ये शो किया गया कि मेरे गिरफ्तार करके ला रहे हैं। वहाँ पर मेरे को यही बताया गया, कुछ नहीं डॉक्टर साहब, आप वहाँ पर चक्रभाठा के वहाँ पर थाने में जाएंगे, आपका बयान लिखा जाएगा और उसको मुचलके के साथ आपको भेज दिया जाएगा। मौत तो हुई है बिल्कुल, डेफिनेटली मेरे से मौत नहीं हुई है, ड्रग इंट्रैक्शन की वजह से हुआ है। और जो उसके पूरे जांच करना चाहिए दवाइयों का, और उसके ऊपर ही उसके बाद ही कंक्लूजन पर पहुँचना चाहिए।
Atir Khan, our deputy editor, is with us on the phone line. Atir, while R.K. Gupta is saying that he's not responsible alone, he's claiming there's something wrong with the medicines that were administered to these women before these sterilization surgeries. Fact is that 83 women were operated upon in a span of 6 hours.
Well, that's right. You see, according to our sources, the government has prohibited use of certain medicines and has also issued a circular in this regard. So there is no ambiguity in this regard. But then, you see, there is also this view that there was a breach of protocol as far as medical procedures are concerned, because carrying out 80, procedures in a short span of time on a single day is unheard of, and that is why this doctor has been arrested, and the government has no sympathy for the doctor. But then clearly the officers at the senior level, they are also accountable, but the government says that since they are not directly involved in this incident, their action has also been initiated against them.
Absolutely. Chhattisgarh government under SCANA, the National Human Rights Commission and the State High Court have also issued notices for the state government asking it to respond to what exactly happened and how these deaths were reported, what exactly went wrong there in these sterilization surgeries.